We'll guide you through how to fix PiP not working on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. PiP or PiP, also known as picture-in-picture not working, can be annoying as you then can't do other things while watching something, so we've got some different fixes you can try. You want to go and head to your settings. Scroll down, find the option for general, then in general find the option for picture-in-picture. Make sure this is switched on, that's super key. Go and see if that solves the problem. If it still doesn't, if you're trying to do it with a certain app, for example YouTube, then what we need to do is go and open it up and make sure it's enabled there. Also with YouTube, if you're outside of the US, you are going to need a subscription, so you may need to go and check the specifics of the app you're trying to use. So the YouTube you pay every month essentially, come to you in the bottom right and then settings, we can go and find playback and we need to make sure picture-in-picture is switched on. Then when we go and click on a video and come out of it, it'll go and keep playing. And last of all, it's worth restarting the device. You can press the increase volume button, the decrease, and then hold down the side power button. Shortly, your phone screen will go black and keep holding it down until you see the Apple icon. Release and it will start and then hopefully it will work.